Students, a new chapter, mensuration, we are starting. In this chapter, we'll read out the different types of the shapes, geometrical shapes, and to find out their perimeter and area. How to find out the perimeter and how to find out the area of the different geometrical figure and then their applications. So for this, you need to understand certain geometrical figures. The first one is circle. In this circle we can see that a center point is there and this line is the radius. This outermost boundary is called as the circumference and it is also called as the perimeter. Perimeter is the length of the outermost boundary. In case of the circle, it is said to be the circumference. Second is a triangle. In this triangle, three sides are there. This side, and this side. Three line segments joining together form a triangle. And the sum of all the sides, this side, and this side, will give you the perimeter. For all the sides, they are just added up and their sum is the perimeter of a triangle. For different kinds of triangles, the sum is always the sum of all the three sides, whether it is a right angle, a scalene triangle or a isosceles triangle. So you have to just add up all the sides to get the perimeter of triangle. Square. The next is square. Square is a geometrical shape where all the four sides they are equal. That is, this side is equals to this side, is equals to this side, is equals to this side. So all the four sides they are equal and the perimeter is sum of all the four sides. You can see the white portion, this sum of white portion, and because it is same for all the sides, this side is equals to this side is equals to this side is equals to this side. So the perimeter is 4 into the measurement of one side. This already you know and you have studied in the lower classes. Next geometrical figure is rectangle. Rectangle, you can see that this side is equals to this side and this side is equals to this side. We call this longer side as the length and the shorter side as the breadth. So that length and breadth are there. One pair of length is there, one pair of breadth is there. And the sum of all these four sides is the perimeter. 2 times we are adding the length and 2 times we have to add the breadth. So that the perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. This formula you have read in the lower class. This is a parallelogram. In this, the opposite sides they are parallel to each other and are equal to each other. Is a parallelogram. The sides they are parallel. This angle is equals to this angle and this angle is equals to this angle, so that the opposite angles they are also equal. And the perimeter is sum of all these four sides. This 2 times the length is added and 2 times you can see the breadth is added. So we can have the same formula for the perimeter of parallelogram as that for the rectangle. And to these we can find out the area also by the next. After this perimeter, we'll read out the area, how to find out the area. Now the recalling of the formula for the area of the different geometrical figures. For the rectangle, it is given as length into breadth. For a square, it is given as side into side. For a triangle, it is half base into height. For a parallelogram, it is base into height. For a circle, it is pi r square. Now use of these formula to find out the solutions, and I will be explaining you that in short that how we can find out the area, how these formulas they are coming. For the rectangle, for square, triangle, parallelogram and circle, these are the formulas. Then one more geometrical figure is there, that is trapezium. For the trapezium, you can see that this type of figure is there where this side is parallel to this side and two of the sides they are the non-parallel. This side and this side they are the non-parallel, and this side and this one they are the parallel sides. And for this the area is given by the formula as half into height into sum of parallel sides. Sum of the parallel sides. Now you can just see this is the height and these two they are the parallel sides. So it is given by half into height into sum of the parallel sides. Now I'll be explaining you how these areas they are formed using the formula of the rectangle. Using the formula of the rectangle, the area of parallelogram and that of trapezium using the area of the triangle can be formed. So these formulas I'll be explaining you that how they have come in my next video.